It's a sunny afternoon on an exclusive golf course, a place designed for patience, quiet, and decorum. But today, that peace has been shattered by a suspect we'll call Brittany. What started as a complaint about a golfer driving her cart across the putting greens and harassing other players is about to turn into a masterclass in how not to handle a police interaction. Most people, when caught breaking the rules, try to apologize and de-escalate. Brittany takes a different approach. She demands a refund while being detained, tries to bribe the officers, and eventually threatens their lives, all while claiming she's the victim of a massive misunderstanding. We are going to watch a simple trespassing warning spiral into multiple felony charges, including battery and bribery. If you want to learn how to navigate the legal system without adding 10 years to your sentence, and if you enjoy breaking down the psychology behind the badge, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps us get this information out to more people.
I'm just gonna leave.
You actually don't have a choice. We will be having a conversation.
Okay, well, I'm gonna show you my receipt.
I don't need to see your receipt.
Okay, well, I want a refund for my money because they returned my thing.
What is the problem besides her being intoxicated?
She was golfing on the golf course. We got a call at about 12 about her out there just on the course, going through guys' games, being belligerent.
We can talk about it,
Ma'am.
because clearly you don't want to be here, I'm okay with that.
Honey,
Do
you think I would be here if I don't want to be here?
I don't know you. I don't even know why you're here. So that's where we are.
This is about a respecting.
Are you a member here, ma'am?
I'm gonna show you.
I just want to know if you're a member. They're trying to figure out if you're a member or not.
Okay, well, that's the thing. So they don't even I'm about to call my mother and father, and you're both there. Everybody's disrespecting the out of me, and that's the thing.
Okay, well, right now I'm going to ask you for your identification.
That's
okay?
fine. But you know what? I'm gonna show you. I want a refund for my.
Go ahead and show me your ID, ma'am.
You know what? You can go off. You
okay.
can.
All right. No, you're done. You're done.
No.
Hands behind your back.
No, you know what?
Stop. Nope.
No, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
You're
sorry.
at Ennis
I apologize.
Brothers.
I apologize.
No, it's too late for apologizing.
Behind your back.
Okay, I apologize.
Stop, ma'am, stop. Okay. Do not fight.
Okay.
Ma'am, listen, do not fight. Stop fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Do not resist, okay? Right now you are under arrest and you're resisting. Stop.
Listen.
Ma'am, listen, you are resisting arrest right now. Stop.
Okay, can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? Stop. Can you stop? This is fine, right?
All right, hold on.
Ow! It's ow!
Get down on the ground. Get down. Yep.
Is this funny?
Okay.
What? Is this funny, guys? Is this funny, guys?
I'm not laughing. My fingers in it. Hold on.
Is this funny, guys?
Got it.
Wait, is this funny, guys?
Beautiful.
Wait, is this funny, guys? Wait.
You all right?
Yeah, absolutely. So, what could have been a simple conversation just turned into you being handcuffed.
Stand up. Yeah.
Yep. You want to open his door?
Okay, so.
I'm going to pat her down, but I hope you get a sit real quick.
Ow.
Put your foot down and stop kicking me. Put your foot down and stop kicking me.
All right. Want me to move anything? Or you got it?
Relax. Okay. Have a seat in there.
Come on.
Have a seat back. Ma'am, listen. Back up in there.
This is not.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Can you pull her back?
Wait, what?
Come on. This way.
Wait,
Come on.
what is going on?
There we go.
What is going on? Excuse me.
Relax.
It went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Are you having her trespass on the property?
After
I think I shut up.
I'm glad you did.
That's why I just made to watch it, man. She was on the course. She was screwed up.
Do me a favor. Can I get your name real quick and everything?
Yeah, I'm Lieutenant for Seminole PD.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
That's why I watched it.
Do you have your ID?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine. That's mine. So what did you see when she was out there?
When she was out there, we were on another hole, and she's like, you son of a bitch, fuck," to somebody else about 100 yards from us.
Yeah.
Then we left her, went around, and then the other group that we were with was on the same green, putting it. She drove across.
Yeah, just stand by a
she
second.
drove across the green. They were literally putting it. She just drives across it by herself. And then she said she was coming back up here, and that's the last time we seen her. And that was probably an hour and a half ago.
Okay. Go ahead and issue a trespass to her.
Hey, Brittany, you're gonna be trespassing in this book,
That's
okay?
fine. I don't care. I would love that.
Okay. Do you have ID?
I do.
Okay.
I promise I'm a good Brittany. I know. I'm a good one. I'm a good one.
All majesty.
Brittany with the I or Brittany with the Y?
Brittany with a Y. A-N-Y.
Oh, I don't even know what the I did. I didn't even want the alias now, but
She is trespassing. She comes back on the property, call us.
Perfect.
And she'll go to jail, okay?
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you very much. All right. I have a adult female on board.
are you arresting me?
Mileage is 51130.
Are you arresting me?
Yes, ma'am. You are under arrest.
Why?
Because you're going to have several charges. Well, I don't know. We told you you were under arrest, and you decided to kick and fight.
That's not true.
Okay.
I think you got the girl confused. Why does somebody have my property?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you know what? I need my property.
You'll get it when you get to the jail.
So nobody even told me what I was being arrested for. So
You're being arrested for probably one misdemeanor and one felony.
I'm gonna jump out of the car and then I'm gonna get another felony.
Door's locked.
Huh?
Door's locked. You're not getting out of the vehicle.
Okay. Well,
If you try and get out of the vehicle, I'll charge you with escape too.
you're charging me with what?
Escape.
Oh well, is that why somebody wanted to make sure they got my property? Oh, can we all go to my parents' house? I would love. Can we please go to my parents' house because it's right here. Can we please I don't want can we please Oh, thank you so much.
Ma'am, listen up real quick, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned.
That means.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or any statements.
What does that mean?
Do you understand each of these rights that I've just read to you?
Can you tell me what that means?
That I've explained to you? Do you
Can
understand?
you tell me what that means?
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Can you tell me what that means? I'm sorry.
It's all the way across.
What's that? No, I would like to.
Move your foot back.
I would like
Move
to
your
talk.
foot
I would
back.
like to talk to my family or.
Ma'am, move your foot back.
I don't want to go to jail.
Okay. Move your face. I don't want to. You already got mulch in it. Move. All right.
Is there are you gonna arrest me? Can you just tell me now?
Yeah.
Can you call my parents?
No, you can call them at the jail.
Are we gonna go?
No, you're going to be going in a van.
What do you mean?
It's a conveyance van.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
Well, or can we just not go?
What?
Can we just not go?
No.
Can I just give you some money and we can not go? Because that's what your friend said.
You're going to give me money?
That's what your friend said.
No.
That's what your friend said.
You're about to rack up another charge for bribing a law enforcement officer.
I didn't say that. Your friend said that. I saw him do the little money sign. I would never do that.
All right, come on.
Are you arresting?
Come on. The quicker you get out of there, the quicker you're going to be able to go home.
No, please take me home. Please take me home.
I can't take you home.
How do I get home? Are my parents going to come here?
Yeah, your parents are going to come here.
No, please. Take me home.
You got her, okay?
Yep.
I'm so sorry. I will post.
Okay.
Do
All
whatever
right,
you
come on.
want. I'll
Come
do
on.
whatever you
Come
want.
on, just go this way.
Whatever you want. I'll do it. Oh, no. Don't be fine. No. Fine. No.
Get this over with.
No.
So you can get out and go home.
No.
how you doing,
Am I
ma'am? I
going
need
to
to face
jail?
these
Am I
two.
going to jail?
Yes, ma'am. You can face it to the right there. Separate your feet.
I don't want to go to jail.
I need you to separate.
Brittany, stand right there.
Separate your feet. Separate your feet.
I don't want to go
Separate
to
your
jail.
feet.
I don't want to go to jail.
Separate your feet. You're going to go from the front. Going to be more comfortable, okay?
Who the f*** are you guys?
Hey.
Brittany, don't even start.
Well, I need some ID.
Brittany, stop.
Well, can I see some ID?
Just, hey, listen, don't get another charge. Okay,
Well,
just relax.
Well, can I have one?
Just relax.
Oh, well, can I have my stuff?
Brittany, yes, we have your stuff. We're going to give it to you.
This is Brittany. Well, where's the other Brittany?
Brittany, stop. Listen,
You
stop.
gotta stop it. Stop it.
Can I have
Stop it.
Excuse you. Can you take me to my house? It's for someone Henry.
Stop it.
I'm gonna punch you and kill you.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
Well,
what
now
I'm
you got a threat. How about that?
Excuse you? Okay. So where's my stuff?
Yeah, hold this side. The left side.
You know what? I want my stuff.
Okay, we're going to give it to you.
Okay, so, but you know what? I think you have me confused with somebody else. Can I talk to him? Can I talk to this guy? Can I talk to this man? Excuse me, sir. I want to talk to this man right here.
Okay.
I want to talk to this man.
All right, good. Want you stay with you?
No, I'm not going in there.
You know what? No.
I want to talk to this
Brittany,
man.
listen, he'll talk to you once you get in there.
Listen, there's two
Bring
Brittany.
him back in there.
I want to talk to
Go in there.
him.
No, go in there. No, there's no conversation to be had.
Where's my...
All your stuff is going with you to the jail.
Okay, but that lady was, you know, this is confusion.
Brittany,
Confusion.
Brittany, stop.
You know what?
Stop, Brittany.
You know what? Like, come on. Okay. You know why is he? You know what? I want to talk to him.
Okay, he'll talk to you once you go up in there.
Well, you don't even. You said you're not even gonna like.
Go in.
Now let's analyze the footage. To truly understand the disaster we just witnessed, we have to start with the suspect's mindset the moment the officers arrive. We are dealing with a psychological phenomenon often found in high-income or exclusive environments, the confusion of consumer rights with legal rights. When the officers approach Brittany, she is already being accused of disorderly conduct, driving over greens, interrupting other games, and public intoxication. The officers' initial goal is actually quite lenient. They aren't looking to throw her in cuffs immediately. They are trying to determine if she is a member and likely just ask her to leave. This is a standard trespass warning. If she packs up her clubs and leaves, she sleeps in her own bed tonight. But Brittany doesn't see herself as a suspect. She sees herself as a dissatisfied customer. Listen to her first major argument. I want a refund. She attempts to leverage the police as if they are customer service managers at a department store. She believes that her transaction with the golf course supersedes the law. This creates a cognitive dissonance where she genuinely cannot process that she is the one in trouble. In her mind, the interruption of her game is the crime, and the police are there to fix it for her. This entitlement hits a brick wall when the officer asks for identification. This is the first major legal trap she walks into. There is a persistent myth that you never have to show ID to the police. The reality is nuanced. In many states, including where this was likely filmed, if you are being lawfully detained for suspicion of a crime, in this case, trespassing and disorderly conduct, you are legally obligated to identify yourself. By refusing to show her ID and trying to walk away, she instantly upgrades a conversation into a crime, resisting an officer without violence. Watch the physical escalation carefully. The moment the officer reaches for her, she resists. It is a natural human instinct to pull away when grabbed, but in the eyes of the law, tensing your arms, pulling away, or dropping to the ground to make yourself dead weight is active resistance. Brittany compounds this by kicking out. We hear the officer clearly state, "Put your foot down and stop kicking me." That single kick is the defining moment of her life for the next few years. It transforms a misdemeanor resistance charge into battery on a law enforcement officer, which is a felony. It does not matter if the kick left a bruise. It does not matter if she was aiming for him or flailing wildly. The intentional application of force against an officer changes the entire complexion of the case. She has now crossed the threshold from annoying drunk to violent felon. As she is placed in the car, we see a fascinating psychological pivot: denial and gaslighting. She suddenly claims, "I think you have the girl confused. This is absurd. The officers have been talking to her for minutes. Witnesses pointed her out. She is the one with the golf cart." But this denial isn't really for the officers. It's for herself. She is trying to reject the reality of the situation because it doesn't fit her self-image. She calls herself a good Brittany. She creates a separation between her identity and her actions. Good Brittany plays golf and sees her parents. Bad Brittany is currently in handcuffs. By insisting there is a mix-up, she is trying to protect her ego from the shame of the arrest. Then comes the regression. Notice how quickly her demeanor changes from an arrogant customer demanding a refund to a frightened child asking for her parents. "Can we please go to my parents' house?" she begs. This is a common reaction when intoxication meets consequence. The alcohol strips away emotional regulation, and the shock of the arrest causes her to regress to a state of dependency. She wants her mom and dad to fix it. She wants to be taken home, not to jail. It highlights a profound lack of accountability. She believes that her parents' home is a sanctuary that the police should respect, rather than a jail cell, which is where the law dictates she must go. But the most legally damning moment, perhaps even worse than the kick, is the bribery attempt. She asks, "Can I just give some money and we cannot go?" She then tries to gaslight the officer by claiming he or his partner suggested it. "Your friend said that." Let's be very clear about the legal weight of this. Bribery of a public servant is a severe felony. In many jurisdictions, it carries a heavier sentence than the DUI or the disorderly conduct. By offering cash to make the arrest go away, she is attacking the integrity of the justice system itself. And when she tries to blame the other officer, "I saw him do the little money sign," she is adding insult to injury. She is projecting her own corrupt mindset onto the police. She assumes that because she views everything as transactional, like paying for a round of golf, the officer's authority must also be for sale. The officer's immediate shutdown of this, noting it for the record, seals her fate. Finally, we arrive at the threats. "I'm going to punch you and kill you." At this point, she has nothing left to lose, so the mask comes off entirely. The good Brittany facade evaporates, replaced by violent rage. This creates a specific legal problem for her defense attorney later. It is very hard to argue that the kick earlier was an accident or a reflex when, 10 minutes later, the suspect is verbally threatening to murder the officers. These threats provide mens rea, or criminal intent. They show the jury that she was in a violent, aggressive state of mind, validating the officer's decision to use force to detain her. There is also a societal lesson here regarding the protection of wealth. Throughout the interaction, Brittany assumes her status protects her. She assumes the rules of the golf course, refunds, customer service, apply to the penal code. She assumes her parents can intervene. She assumes money can fix it. She is likely a person who has never heard the word no in a meaningful way. The police, however, are the great equalizers in this moment. The handcuffs do not care about her handicap score. The patrol car does not care about her parents. The booking system does not care about her refund. For the first time, possibly in her life, she is facing a system that cannot be negotiated with, only submitted to. Her confusion, "Nobody even told me what I was being arrested for," is a lie she tells herself. They told her to stop resisting. They told her she was under arrest. They told her she was trespassing. She simply wasn't listening because she didn't value the source of the information. She tuned them out because she viewed them as subordinates, people beneath her social station who were interrupting her day. By the end of the video, she has racked up a laundry list of charges: trespassing, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, battery on a law enforcement officer, bribery, and corruption by threat against a public servant. She turned a ruined Sunday afternoon into a ruined decade. So, what is the takeaway for us? It's simple. When the police tell you that you are being detained or trespassed, the debate is over. The golf course is not a court of law, the side of the road is not a debating stage. If you feel you are being treated unfairly, the time to fight that is later with a lawyer and a judge. Trying to fight it in the moment, with kicks, bribes, and threats, is a one-way ticket to a felony conviction. Brittany wanted a refund, instead she got a rap sheet. And that is a transaction you can never reverse.